Everyone, with the new day comes the new opportunities, right? With this positive thought in our mind, let's begin today's video. We will be doing the solutions of exercise 6.1 of NCERT. The first question in the league comes as 24x less than 100. In the previous video, we discussed various rules, how to solve a particular linear inequality, right? So here we will be solving it quickly. 24x less than 100, so we will write it as x less than 100 upon 24. So solving this will give me x as less than 4.16. So if we have to express our answer as a natural number, we will say my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is integer, I will write dot dot minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So this is how we will express our answer. Question number 2. So it says minus 12x greater than 30. So again we will solve. We learned that whenever we divide by a negative number, the sign of the inequality gets reversed. So it will get reversed 30 upon 12. That is, if we divide it by, this will come out to be this or somewhere 2.5. So x is less than minus 2.5. So if we have to write a natural number, we will say non-natural number. And if we have to write integers, we will write integers dot dot dot. Then we will have minus 3, right? Have minus 3 and bracket close. Moving on to question number 3. It will also be done on the same line. So let's quickly solve it. So 5x is less than 10. X is less than 2. So if we have to write integer, we will write dot dot minus 1, 0, 1. It's less than 2. So it will be like this. If we have to write real numbers, here comes the interval into picture. Again, go through the previous video and just see, revise how we are writing the intervals. Less means minus infinity to 2, exclude it. Similarly, if we do 3x plus 8, this will come out to be minus 6. X is greater than minus 2. If it is an integer, greater than minus 2, so we will be writing minus 1, 0, 1 and dot dot. If it is real number, we will write minus 2 till infinity, right? So this is how we will be solving these 4 questions. Moving on to next question number 5. Now from question number 5 onwards till question number 16, the question says that we have to solve for x. When it says we have to solve for x, it means we have to write our answer in the form of intervals, that is in terms of real numbers. So we will solve it quickly. All the x on one side, so 5x minus 4x, and all the constants on one side, so this will be minus 4x. So x is greater than minus 4 means it is minus 4 till infinity. So keep this number line in line, minus 4 greater. So minus 4 to infinity. We start intervals from the smaller number to the bigger number, and infinity is always open interval. Similarly, this question, so it will be minus 7 plus 1 greater than 5x minus 3x. So it will be minus 6 greater than 2x. So x is less than minus 3. So x is less than minus 3 means what? Minus infinity to minus 3 open, right? Moving on to question number 7. It says 3 times of x minus 1 is less than equal to 2x minus 3. So we will multiply. It will be 3x minus 3, 2x minus 6. So this will be 3x minus 2x will give me x less than equal to minus x plus 3 will give me minus 3. So x is less than equal to minus 3. So minus infinity to minus 3, now we will have square brackets. Right? Question number 8 says 3 times of 2 minus x greater than equal to 2 times of 1 minus x. So it will be 6 minus 3x greater than equal to 2 minus 2x. So it will be 6 minus 2 greater than 3x minus this x. So 4 is, x is less than equal to 4. So x is less than equal to 4 means minus infinity till 4 and 4 in square brackets. Question number 9 says what we have. These are all simple questions. If we observe, the only part is we have to express our answer in the form of intervals, which you have to very carefully write. And you have to keep a number line in your mind. If it is less, it will start from minus infinity. If it is greater, it will start from the number and end on to infinity, right? Over here, we will take LCM quickly. So this will be 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than 11. So this will be 11x. 11 into 6, so we will cancel 11, so x is less than 6. So less means minus infinity to 6. Strictly less means it will be open bracket. Then moving on to question number 10, exactly on the same lines. So it is like this. We will take LCM. So x plus 2 over here x plus 3. Let's cross multiply. So this is 2x greater than 3x plus 6. When you are multiplying, keep your concentration bang on. When you multiply, just remember that we multiply by both the numbers. So it is minus 6 on this side and x on that side. So x is again less than minus 6. So minus infinity till minus 6 open interval, right? So this is how we will be solving our questions. Moving on to question number 11. Again, I'll just quickly cross multiply. So it will be 9 x minus 2. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 minus x. Let's multiply 9x minus 18. So it will be 15 minus 25x. So this will be minus 15 minus 18 and minus 25x minus 9x. So if we solve it, this will be minus 68 less than equal to, this will be minus 34x. So if we divide, the sign of the inequality will get inverted because we will divide by minus. So this will be x is less than equal to 2. So again less, minus infinity to true, closed. Right? Moving on to question number 12. So if we multiply it like this, so this will be 3x upon 10 plus 2 greater than equal to 1 by 3x minus 2. So this will be 3x by 10 minus 1 by 3x greater than equal to minus 4. So if we take the LCM, this will be 9x minus 10x greater than minus 4. So minus x minus 4 into 30. So if we divide by minus 1, it will be x less than equal to 120. The sign will get inverted, again less, so it will be closed like this. Moving on to question 13. So this is 2 times of 2x plus 3 minus 10, strictly less than 6, x minus 2. Let's solve it together. So we will have it as 4x plus 6. You can pause the video, solve and see whether you are getting the same answer. This way you will be able to check whether you have understood the concept or not. So let's see who does it first. So this is 8 to x, x is greater than 4. So again, now it is greater, so 4 to infinity, right? So this is how we have to decide. Moving on to question 14. So it is 37 minus 3x plus 5 till the time I write. Everybody is supposed to try so that you know whether you have understood or not. If you have not, go again, rewind the video and see from the beginning. So again, we will open up the bracket. So 3x minus 5, 9x minus 8x plus 24. So this will give me 32. From there we'll have 24. So this will be x plus 3x. So this will be 8 greater than 4x. So x is less than equal to 2. So again minus infinity to 2, closed bracket. So this is how we will be solving these particular questions. So again we will start with by taking the LCM over here. So 15, 5, 5x minus 2, minus sign. Be careful with the minus sign. And over here x by 4. So let's open and cross multiply. So over here we will have 25x minus 10 minus 21x with minus, this will be plus 9, right? So 15x less than, this will be 100x. This will be, or we can just solve and then multiply by 4. 24x minus 21x will give me 4x. 4 into 4 will give me 16x. Minus 10 plus 9 will give me minus 1. With 4 will give me minus 4. So 4 on this side and x on this side. So x is greater than 4. Since it is greater, so 4 to infinity, and because strictly less than sign is there, so we'll have open intervals. Moving on to question number 16. Now what it says, again we will take the LCM over here. So 5, 3x minus 2 minus 4 2 minus x greater than equal to 2x minus 1 upon 3. Let's cross multiply and solve it simultaneously. Let's do it together. So it is 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x. So it will be 40x minus 20. 15 plus 4 is 19. Through 3 is 57x. 18 into 3 is 54. So this will be question number 17 to 20. Now these set of questions, the question says solve it and represent the answer on the number line. Now let's see how do we represent the answer solution on the number line. So we have this particular question, so x will come to this side, 3x minus 2x will give me x, so 2 plus 1 will give me 3. So x is less than 3. Now if I represent my answer in the form of intervals, it will be like this. So on the number line, we will have it like this, and then moving on further, we will have it like this. We will write 0 over here, 1, 2, 3. So if it is less and we have strict sign, so we will draw a circle and we will not shade it, and we will point arrow towards this because it is less, so minus infinity till 3. If it is equal to sign, then let's see what we will do. So 5x minus 3x will be 2x, greater than equal to minus 5 plus 3 will be minus 2. So x is greater than equal to minus 1, right? So we will have a number line, and we will have 0, we will have 1, we will have minus 1. So it is now x is greater than equal to. So equal to means we will have a circle which we will fill, and greater than means it will point towards this. So this is how we will represent it graphically, and in the form of intervals it will be minus 1 till infinity, right? So solving this particular question, we will have it like this. So this will be 3 minus 8 will be minus 5, and 2x plus 3x will be 5x. So it will be x is greater than minus 1, right? So again we will have a number line. So over here, when we have strict inequality, the circle will not be filled. If it is less than equal to, greater than equal to, then the circle will be filled. So again it is greater, so it will be towards this side. Greater means minus 1 till infinity, right? So again, solving this particular question, we will take LCM. So 5x minus 2 minus 3, 7x minus 3, x by 2, right? So x by 2, so this will be 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 upon 15. So this, if I cross multiply, will be 15x, greater than 25 minus 21 will be 4x minus 1. So this will be 15x greater than equal to 8x minus 2. So if we solve it further, this will come out to be 7x greater than equal to minus 2. So it will be x is greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. So for this, the number line will be, if it is 0, we have minus 2 by 7 here. So it is greater, so circle will be filled and it will point towards this. So this is how we will be solving all these questions. Till that time, wait for the next video. Keep on practicing the questions. Stay at home, stay healthy.